everyone, this is Frida Flower from the Marilee Magram Center Wellness Garden, and today we are going to talk about oregano, the plant right here. So oregano is originally from Greece and Italy, so the Mediterranean area. That's why it does so well here in our Southern California climate. It means joy of the mountain in Greek. And even though it originated in the Mediterranean area, in Europe, it has made the way around many international cuisines due to its fragrant and strong smell and taste. Oregano is closely related to mint. They are sort of like cousins. They're from like the same family, and that's why they do very well in like large spaces. If you want to plant oregano in your house, you want to make sure that you have a space or some sort of container because it will take over. According to some studies from the American Council of Science and Technology, oregano has anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and also some heart health properties because of the compounds that are found in the oregano leaves. You can enjoy oregano dried or fresh, as we see here at the Wellness Garden. When it is fresh, you can enjoy it in salads and incorporating it into sauces, and when it's dry, it's better to use it for toppings, for your pasta or your soups. It has a spicy, very strong flavor and taste that you will enjoy every day for any sort of pasta, soups, or sauces